Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing all about lemongrass essential oil. Before we get started though, I have to show you this watch band. Look how cute this is. It's from Braxley Bands. This is my second one that I've had from them. It is super stretchy. It's made out of recycled, 100% recycled polyester. And they originally started with just sizes. So they do have on their website where you can order small, medium, large, or large. But now they have the adjustable ones where it fits any size, which I think is super cool. It is the most comfortable band. I will not go back to the silicone ones or the one, yeah, that's what comes on it, is the silicone band. These are so much more comfy and stretchy. And you can just throw it in your washing machine to wash it when you need to. So love these. I'll put the link down below, but I thought you guys would really like this pattern. It's super cute. Okay, I have 3 different bottles of lemongrass. 2 are the same variety, and then this one is a different variety of the plant. So it is Simbogapogon. I can't say it. I'm going to put it here. This one is Flexuosis, and then this one is Citratus, which I will put here too. But these 2 are the ones that when you think of lemongrass, this is the most common lemongrass, and they smell super strong, lemony, citrusy, herby, or earthy rather. Just like take your breath away almost, and it's what you think of like when it's kind of like citronella, like citronella candles, where this one is Revive. I'm not sure what other brands have this variety, but this one, when I'm talking about like the skin benefits later on, this is the one that's going to be better for skin. You'll get the same benefits, just this one has different constituents. It's higher in different constituents, which are just the parts of the oil that are more beneficial to skin. So interesting and fun fact to me, at least. So those are the 3 that I have. Oh, and I don't know if I said this already, but this one smells so much better. It's lighter and more like floral to me. And I could like diffuse this and be good, like where the other one I do not like even using it in cleaner or diffusing. It's just too strong for me, unless it's really, really low amounts of it mixed with other oils. So anyways, just fun facts about the 2 different varieties. The scientific names I will put here again. It's from the Poaceae family, the botanical family. It's rich in aldehydes, and so that's what's gonna cause or give it all of the therapeutic action or benefits that I'll list in a second. And then it's strong, lemony, earthy, which I already kind of said. The therapeutic, antimicrobial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, hypotensive, calming and sedative, stimulants of the digestive functions, potential skin irritant though, so make sure you always dilute lemongrass. So when you're making the bug sprays and rollers, make sure you heavily dilute. And I can put a dilution guide in this blog post too if you are unsure of that. So the benefits of lemongrass, there are cleaning, circulatory, musculoskeletal, respiratory, skin, and emotion or mood benefits. It does have that like citrusy aroma, so it is going to help like uplift and boost your mood if you like the scent. Of course, if you don't like it, it's not going to do that. But so for household cleaning, you can mix it into any of your cleaners. You can mix it into Thieves, make your like wood floor cleaner with it. It's just going to help boost your power of your cleaner. It's going to help repel insects when you're cleaning like the floors and like window areas. That's really going to be beneficial for bugs. And then it will leave, it is like after it fades a little bit, leave your home smelling like fresh and clean. I don't hate the scent, it's just too strong. Okay, massage. It can be used in massage oil, so it's really good. It's anti-inflammatory. And what was the other? For mood boosting. So anti-inflammatory and like anxiety, that type of like sedative oil. Those are all really good for massage, because that's probably why you're going to get a massage, right? And so if you like the scent, perfect for that. If you don't like the scent, skip to a different scent that you like. But massage, circulatory, and lymph. It is an oil that's going to help in like combination with cypress and grapefruit and those oils to, you can either make a scrub for a lymph to get your lymph moving and just scrub on all of your areas where you have your lymph drainage points, or just make a massage oil. I have a massage oil that I use to do lymph massage, and I have a whole video on lymph and blog post, and the book I love, I will link below. Okay, sore muscles, so it can help. You can make a balm or a salve, which is just like a beeswax mix or a coconut, like a solid coconut, or a massage oil for sore muscles. Help in supporting aches, pains, sore muscles, sprains, bruises, or joint pain. And respiratory, it can benefit you in this way. So diffusing while you're sick, or using in like a steam inhalation, like a really hot bowl of water, add a couple drops of lemongrass. Eucalyptus is also really good with this. I just did a whole video on eucalyptus. If you missed that, make sure you go back and watch it too. I love eucalyptus too, especially this time of year. Skincare, so it's not like, I don't see this all over the place in lemongrass and skincare, but it was one of the benefits when I was doing my research, and it's specifically this variety of lemongrass. So this one, I can see it just smelling really good, and that being a reason why you want to use it too. But it does have like antimicrobial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, so it wouldn't be a bad oil to use in skincare. And for mood, the aroma is uplifting, so diffuse it, make a roller, just use it in whatever way that you want that makes you happy and boosts your mood. Lastly, to use it to help repel bugs, you can either make a roller if you're going outside and want it on you. You make a roller or a spray all over. Make sure it's diluted like I mentioned before, but if you're using it like in your home, you can make like a 16-ounce bottle of water and then add all of your essential oils that you're going to put in to help repel bugs. Peppermint is another really good one for this. For ants, I think lavender, maybe I'm wrong on that one, but peppermint for sure. Lemongrass, mix them all up and just spray around the windows or perimeter of your house, outside or inside. Essential oils are also really great in the garden too for repelling pests like that. Okay, the last thing I have is safety. So the first one, dilute the oil. I've already said that. You want to dilute any essential oil, in my opinion, that you're using, unless for a very specific rare occasion you want to use the oil neat. And I can do a whole video on that if you want me to. Let me know in the comments. But dilute, it's not going to lessen the effect, make the oil like less potent. It's going to help it travel and absorb into your skin, because essential oils are volatile. They evaporate in the air. So if you just put an essential oil right on your skin, it's going to evaporate, where a coconut oil or carrier oil is going to help it penetrate your skin. It can be skin irritating to some people, especially with sensitive skin, so make sure you do a patch test before you're just slathering like the bug spray or whatever you made all over. Just make sure you test a little area first. This is good. A general rule of thumb if you are sensitive to do with any essential oil, because there is a potential for any essential oil to be irritating to your skin. It just depends on you and the quality of the oil. Keep away from children. This is general, like all of my oils are up, away, and our girls are old enough now, but pets as well. Make sure your pet cannot get into your oils. Lock them in a room. Lock the oils in a room. If you're leaving your pet home alone, just safety in general. Make sure you're keeping your oils away from kids and pets. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions or want to add different uses that you use lemongrass for. The list of our favorite essential oil brands will be in this blog post linked down below too. We use a variety of different brands. I'm a big believer in not one brand fits all, especially if you have a family or if you just like different budget reasons. There are lots of different brands to look into, and so I will list all of those down below. Let me know what essential oil video you want me to film next, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.